and welcome in Seema Lifestyle. Today I will give you a tour in my garden. Okay, let's see. It is September and summer is over. I am in UK in London, and so nearly winter is coming, autumn is coming. So I thought, okay, let's give you tour in my garden before in winter. So this is cherry tree. Cherry already they came in summer. Now they have gone. So it is wonderful, beautiful, strong tree. This is still reddish crop is coming very well. Look at this, wonderful. They are coming. I think they are last of this season. So there are lots of them. So they are coming beautifully. And this is the plant. It comes every year. And I'm going to put it in my ground. These are my new collection. They are hardy and come in every season. You can see this is one. And now this is bay leaf. It is a bay leaf. It is hardy and comes every year. And it is rose plant, coming very well. It is fuchsia. It comes itself every year. And look at this beautiful lovely flower. It is marigold. They are very easy to plant. When it will dry, you can dry this flower at home, and then in next season just spread in your ground. They will come themselves. Look at my onion. They are coming. How beautifully. So, and this is again self seedling plant, and it is apple tree. All apple gone now. Some all the apple gone. I think, let's see if I can find something. Just very tiny one. I think this is the last one. Okay, let's go here. It is again very hardy plant, and it is beautiful smell. It is olive tree. I have so many olive trees, small one, big one. It is again very hardy tree. It has been 5 years, 6 years. And look at this, my new collection. Look at this beautiful. We can dry and keep them inside to decorate our flower pot. And okay, then come here again, rose plant. Some mint. It is beautiful. It is beautiful mint. And look at this. They are coming very well because this year we had very long summer. And this is my new collection. It is fig tree. I'm going to put it in my garden ground. This is strawberries. They all just still tiny bit coming. Lots of flower is still coming. So beautiful. And it is sage. It is herb. It goes in lots of dishes. And here we go. What? I don't know why, but this year I didn't have any peach, so I have to look after it more little bit. And look at this wonderful plant. It is given by my friend. It was that tiny when she gave me, and look, it is going very well. Now look at this beautiful flower. They all are blooming, and this rose, they are coming again because summer sun is shining this week. It is 28, 27, 22 nowadays. And look at this beautiful. It also comes every year itself. There are some bushes, yellow, green, multi-purpose, multicolor. And look at this wonderful, beautiful plant. It is dahlia. It comes at every year as well. Some nasturtium, and it is edible plant actually. We can eat it, we can decorate in our salads and enjoy our food. And here we go. I will show you something very nice in a minute when I go around. And it is my new collection. I got it. It is plum tree. So let's see what will happen next year, because it is lockdown, so I did lot more gardening. And look at this. It is chive. It is beautifully coming. Chive is very easy when it flowers, and by wind they go here and there, and then they come themselves. They are self-seedling as well. And look at this beautiful flower. It comes itself. So here we go. What else I was showing? And look at this. They are 6-year-old, and they are also 6-year-old. It is pear tree. Look it. Let's hope it next year we will have some pear. And look at this beautiful flower. It goes that tall, and it is still blooming. And it is hydrangea. Hydrangea is comes from summer to now, 6 months nearly, and it comes every year as well. Look at this, my pansies. How beautiful color they are. Are they just self-seedling themselves? Hundreds of another plants are becoming. Nature is so generous, so amazing. And look at this, my more mint. And I was showing you something. Yes, here we go. So this plant I bought, and I was keeping it here. So some seeds by wind shattered all over, and then the next new plant came itself. So look at this, the self-seedling. And it is again hydrangea. Look at these beautiful flowers, and it is growing so well. Black chickpea means chana. I just sow it, and then look, they are growing very well. They are coming inside now. Look at them. They are coming that well. Look at this green chana. Not amazing? In a pot they are so easy to grow, and now in pot they are coming more reddish and more flower, more bay leaves, more hydrangea. And it is chocolate mint. It is chocolate mint. So amazing. Smell is beautiful. And it is my banana plant. I'm going to keep it inside now. In winter we can leave it outside. And it is one more hydrangea. So new flowers are blooming. And some other, it is rosemary. It is so beautiful. Smell. It is camellia, and it comes very well and lovely flower in spring. More plants. Actually this year I had lots of caterpillar. Caterpillar love this plant and they gone, but they are coming back, all of them. And look at these beautiful roses. Here we come, some berries. And look at this, some berries, they are coming very well. Look at them, they are coming again because this week is very nice warm. Some honeysuckles, look at them, how beautifully they are coming. Look at them, lovely plants. And this is the plant of cucumber. This plant is coming in just pot, and I already had 17 cucumber. Now look, one more is coming, one more is coming, and some small one, baby one, and some more coming this way. So we had lots of cucumber this year. And here we go. And this is courgette. Look at this courgette. Some baby courgette, some big courgettes. And here we go. Some lavender. Look, this beautiful flower. Some more flowers, some more fuchsia, and let's go other garden in front. Camellia coming very well. And look at this wonderful plant, it is coming very well as well. And some more hydrangea. Now I will take you inside to show some my kitchen plants. Okay. Yeah, look at this, my pepper. They are still growing very well. I had already lots of pepper. I cooked them, eaten them. They are alpinos. And some more tomatoes is still coming. Look at this, beautiful. And some more pepper. Some more small, tiny one. Tomatoes. And some aloe vera. Look at this, they are coming very well. Lots of baby aloe vera are growing by side by. So very well, doing well. Now look at this spinach. I think it is just last very small one coming, just slow growth now. And look, my tulsi plant, it is growing very well. It is given by my friend, super gorgeous. And some chili plant, some chilies are coming. And some my lemon plant, they are grown by small seed by myself. Amazing. So here we go. And what else I have to show? It is parsley coming very beautifully. It is herb for kitchen. And it is basil coming nicely. It is coriander. and it is some peas. I'm using them in salad. So here we go. This is my tour, small tour. I hope you liked it. Please keep watching my videos and keep sharing, keep liking. All the best. Thank you. Bye.